Welcome! I'm going to show you how easy it is to sign up for our directory, GeriHub, if you are a home modification, wellness, or therapist expert. So the first thing you're going to do is go to gerihub.com and then click right here, Get Listed Today. And then right here, you can choose your plan. We have two different plans. We have a plan that's complete and ultimate that gets you everything that we have on our directory. It allows you to rank very high in the search results and you to be premiered versus anyone else. You can display your phone number, customer reviews, receive leads directly and free within our directory, provide a backlink to your website, which helps grow your SEO, blog posts on your profile, plus a free video that we'll put on your profile too that we'll do together to help really personalize your profile. And then we have our free plan. For those of you just starting out, wanting to get some leads and tractions, and it's only $15 to purchase a lead if you do get someone, which if you say charge $100, you're easily making $85 on this website. So what you're going to do, let's click right here to select the free plan, and we're going to sign up. So we're going to put in our email, confirm, we're going to make a password. We're going to say we're not a robot. Let's see. Oh, there are no bicycles there. There we go. And we're going to create a profile. Give it about a minute or so. It's usually pretty quick. Awesome. Okay, let's hit continue here. Perfect. So now we're going to make our profile here. Now, just to note here that we need to activate, so we need to go to our email and click activate, but then we're going to go to basic information here. We're just going to put in our information here, if it's a company, if any of these describe you. So we can select one or multiple, and then we're going to put in our information here, company name, I'm gonna skip the short description about myself, but I would put about myself, have my address here, put my website links here, and hit save and continue. Remember that in this video, I'm not filling out everything, but the more you fill out, the more complete your profile is, the better you'll rank, and the more visibility you'll have. We're just uploading our profile image. There we go. So that looks good. We'll continue to the next section where we can just sort of put our hours, payment forms, everything. And then we're going to go to the About Me section here and fill in just a lot more details. And don't forget to hit save. But that's as easy as it is to create your profile. If you have any questions, please let us know at gerihub@gmail.com. And we look forward to having you in our directory and helping you grow your home modification, wellness, and therapy business. Thank you.